Hey y'all, I'm gonna do another small project using a page that I cut up to make journal cards. This page is a digital from Tailor Made Journals. This is from her Victorian Gothic kit. And I have some book page and I have some clear packaging that I'm gonna use because I wanna use this background and the photo frame, but I'm gonna make it a window frame because I don't want to use this particular image in the journal that these are for. So I will probably fast forward this a little bit as I go and might end up doing a little bit of voice over. The first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and back this. Is thinner paper, so I'm gonna back it onto the book page with some tacky glue. And I know I'm gonna cut it off about here. And it looks like I'm using a lot of glue, but I'm not. I'm using the tip of the bottle to spread my glue thin. Corner up here. Okay, I let it dry for a few minutes. You'll have to excuse my dog in there eating. They choose when Mama's busy. He's a little mad at me because I haven't played with him enough outside this morning. So he's gonna act up today. Just gonna cut this out. I will square this up later. I'm just gonna roughly cut this out for now. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this image out as well. Okay. Now I'm gonna ink up the inside of this circle because I'm going to glue my plastic packaging on cellophane, whatever it is, cellophane. And I just want a piece big enough to go around the frame. So if you didn't know, you can draw on this stuff with Sharpie marker. And then you don't have to try to guess. And I'm gonna be gluing this down with my 3-in-1, which is like Fabri-Tac. I don't use it very often, but I do use it every now and then, especially for this plastic packaging. So we're just gonna go around. And let's see how well we did. I did clean this plastic sheeting with alcohol wipes to get anything sticky or stuck on off of it. Sometimes this stuff will look really dirty and scratched and smudged, and you'll clean it with alcohol and it'll be pretty again. Okay, so this is stuck on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to back this again with another book page. Find one here. I want to use this one will work. But what I also want to do is, let me make sure this is going to fit in my journal first. It is. I think I'm going to use this as a little pocket. Maybe a journaling card. Anyway, I keep going back and forth. I'm going to put this behind it. Figure out where I want to go. So let me reposition all of this. See where so I'm going to glue this page down. I can get the lid off my glue. Glue that down. We'll get some glue on the back of this, and I'm going to use tacky glue on the paper and Fabri-Tac on the plastic. We're 3-in-1. Make sure you don't get any glue strings in there. And I do have one. Get out of there. Okay. And we'll glue it down. And I'm going to cut it out. Okay. This is what it looks like. I love it. I think it's really pretty. But I am going to ink around it with some ground espresso distress oxide for now. And like I said, I think this is going to be a pocket. It would go on the page and then have something behind it. Would make a pretty journaling card though. Maybe add something green here as a pull. I am going to stitch around this more than likely. So later on in the project, as I'm building the pages, you'll see this again. Thanks so much for watching, guys. All the information to these digitals are listed below and everywhere that you can find me and my stuff. Thanks, guys.